Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own multi-use peppermint spray.
This natural spray will freshen up any room. You can also use it as a hand sanitizer or to remove odors from shoes. Peppermint's great for mental health. It's known to aid alertness and to ease nausea. There are many ways to use this simple spray. Just don't use it on your pets, in your mouth, or in your butt. This project requires only a few simple ingredients and supplies. A 4-ounce or 120 milliliter tinted glass spray bottle, essential oils of peppermint, lemon, and lavender. You'll also need a medium glass or ceramic bowl, a kettle or pot to boil water, a measuring cup or funnel, generic witch hazel, and a cloth to clean up any messes in case you're a spaz like me. Start by pouring boiled water into the ceramic or glass bowl, then wait for it to cool down. Now you'll need to get your witch hazel into the spray bottle, but if you pour it directly, it'll spill. So grab your measuring cup, pour the witch hazel in there first, and then add it to the spray bottle, filling it about 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters high. Now you'll add your essential oils, starting with 30 drops of peppermint.
That might have been 31.
Next, add 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Finally, add 2 to 3 drops of lavender, twist the nozzle back on, and shake well. Now take your sterilized water and pour it into the measuring cup. Then pour the water into the spray bottle until it is 3/4 full so that you have room to shake it and it doesn't leak. Replace the nozzle and shake it again super well.
And that is it. That's it. So minty fresh.
Now wasn't that easy? This spray makes me happy, and I hope it will make you happy too.
Yeah, I did spill that. This is clearly my first tutorial video.